What's good, y'all? We got a package up in here. I'm about to open this. Hell yeah, you already know about to make a video on this. We about to show you how to install this in a PC. We got Wi-Fi 6, we got Bluetooth 5.2. Bro, we got everything in this. This is an extremely easy install. Now here's what we got inside. We got this that we plug into the motherboard, the USB. We got some screws. We got the bracket. I think that's what it's called at least. We got a screwdriver, which is very useful. Thank you for that. And we got the thing itself. Bigger than I thought it would be. And I mean, that's how usually stuff is on camera. It's smaller on camera, but in real life, it's way bigger. The rest is probably just instructions. Well, what is this? Is that dust? I don't know what that is, but anyways. The rest is instructions. This, oh, I don't know what that is. Probably drivers. And yeah. Back to the box. I almost forgot. We got the antennas. Okay, there's one. The one's right here. I like how they put it like right here. That's honestly really nice. So basically right here it says to get the driver at their website, and I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, so I'm just here reading the instructions, and basically you do have to install some drivers. So don't worry, the links will be in the description. Alright, y'all, we're in the PC. As y'all can see, new GPU. You know, if you watched the videos and you saw my PC build. But basically, I like how they added two screws. They added black screw and a white screw, or like a, you know, glossy screw. But that's really nice of them, you know, because the inside of my case is black. You know, it's little things like this that you could appreciate about a company that's not being cheap, you know. I mean, it's a screw, but you know, it's all nice. It's all nice. So basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna install this right here. Then we're gonna plug it in the USB right here. So we're gonna put it right here, which would be right here. So we could take this out now. For other cases, it might break off, but you know, I got a premium case. You feel me? So basically, we're gonna put this in now. This facing down, so it could fit in there. And we're gonna put it in there. So now that that's done, it's put in. As you can see, it's in there. And by the way, you have to wait, like, you have to click it. You have to wait for a click. So like, push it in, make sure you hear a click, make sure it's in there, you know, not moving around. And, oh, wrong thing. Now we're gonna get this, we're gonna plug it in. All right, now this, we're gonna plug this in. This end goes in here. In here. And we're about to put it in. Honestly, you should have put this in earlier, like before you put it in the PC, but I did it the hard way. You could do it however you want. Like, it's just like the GPU's in the way for me, but that's about it. But anyways, now we're gonna put it in the USB. So let's go do that right now. Alright, so we put it in. That's an extra cable to my collection right here. I'm gonna just tuck it in here. Yeah. You know, easy hide. Perfect. Alright, so I tucked everything in. Everything looks good. We're chilling. We are chilling. So y'all have already seen the inside. This is the outside right here. And that's where you put your antennas. For the antennas, it's straightforward. Just put it on and twist. This is the finished product. This is what it looks like from the outside. Y'all already saw the inside. And basically what we're gonna do now is just get on the PC and I'm gonna show y'all how to install the drivers. Alright, what's good, y'all? So we're on the PC right now. Here's the site that you're supposed to go on. It'll be in the description, don't worry. And so basically what you want to do is just search up like the products, like the product number that you have. For me, this one's mine. You might have gotten a different one, but I got this one specifically. But yeah, just make sure you look at the image, the picture. Here's the drivers. You're gonna go right here. There's also a video. Oh no, there isn't. Never mind. So yeah, drivers right here. I'm gonna download this. And we're gonna have to extract it. So I have WinRAR. I don't think you need WinRAR for this. But so what I'm gonna do is extract it right here. So I'm gonna drag it and extract it to my desktop. And we're gonna set it up through there. So we're gonna wait for this. Alright y'all, so it is done. I'm gonna drag this right here. And then I'm gonna do this, right click and extract here. There it is. So there's uninstall and method 2. I'm gonna breeze through this. I'm gonna watch this video and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright y'all, so basically what you gotta do, so yeah, extract it like I did. Then you wanna open hardware and sound in control panel. And then you wanna go to device manager. And once you're in device manager, you wanna go right here to other devices. And once you see this, you're gonna right click update driver. And then once you update driver, so right here, update driver, search, don't do search automatically. Browse your folders. So right here, you browse your folders and then you pick, and then next, add disk, do that, and browse. So when you drag it on your desktop, you're gonna go on desktop, then right there, double click on it, then that driver thing, DRV, double click on that, and then the second one right there, open it, okay, and then next, and it will update or install actually. So basically, we're about to repeat the same steps, so we're gonna do that. So it's right here. I select this, open, okay, and then next, it's installing. And so yeah, that's good. Will it work now? Oh, there we go. There we go. So this is done. Let's go. So we're done with that. So now Bluetooth. So this is very straightforward. So yeah, right here, Bluetooth, update driver, browse, then next. Oh, let me do that. I mean, or you could do that, or you could do that. Let's just make sure that it works now. So we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Yeah, it seems to be working. I guess just connect something. Okay, yeah, the Wi-Fi should be working now. And so that's basically all you gotta do, guys. So that's it. So right here, that's what you gotta do. If you have this one, then you get it's easier for this one. But I mean this one's pretty straightforward as well. Oh yeah, so for this one you install both and do the steps and that's it. So we're done. That's basically all y'all gotta do. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, let me know what y'all think, really. Do y'all want to see more videos like this? Like more tutorials or some shit? I mean, honestly, there's probably a bunch of videos on this already, but it just, it wouldn't hurt to make a video, right? Like, why not? So, leave a like, comment below if y'all want to. Some suggestion video ideas, whatever y'all want to comment, just go ahead, comment right now. Sub if you're new. I'm gonna be making more videos. Expect to see me uploading more often, more PC videos, like more with this. I might do gaming videos. I'm gonna start streaming as well, so stay tuned for that with a webcam as well. So y'all gonna see what I look like, I guess. Yeah, I mean, just get ready, guys. I got lots of stuff planned for this channel and my Twitch channel. I might either stream here or on Twitch. Stay tuned, y'all. So like I already said, sub if you're new. I got a lot of stuff planned. You could change your mind at any time. You can unsub anytime you want. So yeah, I'd appreciate a sub. I'd appreciate a like. Also you can comment if you want. It's your choice. Comment some suggestions if you got any, or just comment about the video. But yeah, that's basically it. That's basically all I got for y'all today for this video. And until the next one, peace.